since its March lows has been commodities, be it steel or copper, crude or even Bitcoin. Investors have looked at commodities even as the world is still nursing the wounds inflicted by COVID-19.
This month has been a busy one for commodity traders. The Joe Biden presidency, China's new 5-year plan, a potential COVID vaccine all seem to have spurred more risk-on trading, with base metals and crude rallying while gold losing its August shine. With 3 major companies announcing a more than 90% efficiency in their COVID vaccines, the expectation of a quick economic bounce back grew stronger. Thus, industrial metals like aluminium, copper, lead, iron ore saw a smart rally. But the positive news on the vaccines sounded the death gong of sorts for the rally we saw in safe haven assets like gold and silver, which declined by as much as 3%. China saw the first case of COVID and was also the first to recover from its economic repercussions. But the world was not far behind. The United States took just 2 months to get back into manufacturing mode, with its November PMI at the fastest in 5.5 years, while India's manufacturing PMI climbed to the highest in a decade in October. And with a faster than expected global economic recovery came a quick fall in global metal inventories. As supply chains around the world were disrupted, metal production paused briefly. Demand, though, made a comeback and absorbed the inventories rapidly, especially in aluminum and copper. The commodity markets were riddled with tariffs and trade wars in the Trump era. But not only is Biden expected to adopt a softer approach towards China, he may also ban controversial oil exploration projects and look to work with Iran again. China, meantime, has already braced itself for a self-dependency project of its own, which was the standout factor in the recent 5-year plan. Tariffs on the US, Australia, strengthening its own supply chain are China's new pet projects, which will have ramifications for the global ferrous market. But let's not forget the massive role China played with its fast economic recovery in helping steel and iron ore prices rally hard. And finally, it's the risk-on rally we're in the midst of, which is seeing equity markets around the world touch record highs. And investors sure don't want to miss out on any opportunity that the commodity universe may throw up, even if it comes in the form of the cryptocurrency.